In this video, I will guide you through the simple process of managing and updating your payment details under the profile subscription bars in your Typeform account. Keeping your billing information current is essential for uninterrupted service. So let us get started right away. The first thing you need to do is navigate to the upper left corner of your screen and click on the drawdown menu located right next to your account name. From there, you will see a list of options where you should click on Plan and Billing to access your subscription settings. Once the page loads, take a moment to locate the Payment Method section, which is situated directly on the main Canvas workspace. This area displays your current financial details. To make any changes, simply click on the Update or Edit button located next to your current card or billing profile information. This action will open up the secure input fields where you can safely enter your new credit card credentials. Make sure to accurately input your card number, expiration date, and security code, as well as your updated billing address or any alternative payment details you wish to use moving forward. It is very important to ensure that all of the information matches your bank records exactly to avoid any potential payment failures or service interruptions. Once you are confident that everything is entered correctly, go ahead and click the Save button to lock in these new payment details. Your account will be updated instantly, and all future invoices will be charged to this new method. By following these easy steps, you can maintain full control over your Typeform subscription and ensure your billing profile stays organized. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and I hope this helps you manage your account settings with ease and confidence today.